Hello, my red family. How you guys doing? Yeah, it's Joey from Friends. Yeah, it's a line from Joey from Friends. And I got used to of it because my cousin, he says it all the time. He loves Joey. He loves Joey. And everyone loves Joey. Joey is nice. Joey is cute. Joey is funny. And Joey is cute. Okay. So, what are we supposed to talk today? Let me tell you about my day. Today I was again the whole day in mask because I was trying to save the people who are still fine, who have not got this cold, this viral, because of their good immunity, which I don't have, Yeah. So, other than that, I taught my students and I wrote a thing and I did work. Let me tell you this thing that happens with me when I've got cold. Okay, so like it happened today also. I am teaching. Not exactly teaching. I don't know what am I saying. I have to give my student some lines that he can say during the interview. Okay. And I was like, I started writing it. And I was like, the line was just there and it just vanished. Then again I remembered it, then again I forgot. Then again I remembered it, then again I forgot. Then I was like, बेटे wait कर, मैं थोड़ा घूम के आती हूँ. Then I came again. Then I started writing another line. Okay. Again this thing happened with me. And I was like, okay, I'm going, let me go. I took the pages and pen to the other room where I was like, okay, fine, let's do it. I'm like, so it took all my sorry, this happens with me. I am sick. Yeah. So it took a little. I took some time to write it to form my mind. You can see my eyes are red. It's because of this cold. I hate cold. I hate it the most. Okay. Then I finally wrote the paragraph and gave it to him. Yeah. That's all. And then I was talking to my colleague. I had to ask her about something, a case or something, and then again it happened. I was like, Ben, मैं ठीक नहीं हूँ. I'm sick. Give me some time, huh? Let me think. Yeah, okay, so my battery was about to die. I just put the charger on. Okay, I was like, where's my charger? I usually don't carry my charger to my office. Okay, I keep it here at home. I'm like, where's my charger? I went to the other room. I was looking for it also. Then it certainly clicked me. Today I actually took my power charger to my office. Although I didn't use it. I didn't get the chance to use it. But it was there. Then I got it out and then plugged it in. Yeah. Normal things that happens when you are sick. So I came home after the office and then I ate. And then I was just lying around talking to my friends, and that's all. Yeah, I was texting a friend regarding my visit to her place, AARTI, tomorrow. Yep. And she was like, okay, and we were discussing about it, and that's all. I'll share it with you tomorrow. Let's cut this video short, and you should take some rest also. You know, it's viral time, huh? So I guess it's the time to say goodbye. So take care, take rest. Don't be sick. If you are sick, just take care of you and take lots more rest. Unlike me, a little bit like me, and peace out, you guys. Take care, peace. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget it, my Ray family.